We'll guide you through how to fix black spots on an iPhone screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. These can be really annoying and can make your iPhone hard to use in some cases as well. So we've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, you want to go and open up the settings on your iPhone like so. Scroll down and go and tap on General, and in General tap on Software Update. Go and see if there's an update which you can do. In my case there is. So we can tap on Update now. Software updates can often go and fix glitches and bugs which could be causing this. After you've done the update, see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't or there's no update available, then what we can try doing is performing a restart. So what you can do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the side power button. Keep it held down, shortly your phone screen will go black. When it goes black, keep on holding it until you go and see the Apple icon and release. When your iPhone starts again, hopefully now the problem is solved. If it still isn't though, then it may be a hardware problem. So this is more physical and it could be some type of damage done to the display. If it went and happened after you went and dropped it, then it's likely you've damaged the display. And so what you'll need to do is go and get in contact with Apple, and you'll need to go and give them the device or potentially send it to them, and they can go and repair it hopefully and get the problem solved. But it's definitely worth trying the fixes earlier in this video, as sometimes it can just be a software problem.